Hey, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna talk about top 5
best 60% keyboard.
Starting at number 5.
Keychron K12 60%. While the Keychron K12 does not have the best gaming performance, it is one of the best 60% keyboards for gamers looking for an incredibly reliable wireless option. Keychron has made a name for itself over the last couple of years, producing accessible mechanical keyboards that are easily customizable and have an excellent typing experience. And the K12 is a perfect example of why they have received this reputation. This keyboard comes with a variety of switches to choose from, and like the Royal CLUDGE RK61, the K12 has a hot-swappable PCB, so this is an excellent keyboard for gamers to dip their toes into the DIY keyboard space without having to build a full keyboard. All the switches that Keychron offers with the K12 by default feel excellent, but Game Rant recommends the brown switches for gamers looking for an option with a light touch.
Coming at number 4.
Corsair K65 PRO. Despite all the improvements to wireless technology, there is still nothing better than a good wired keyboard in some cases. The Corsair K65 PRO Mini is an excellent option for gamers who want a wired 60% keyboard that provides ultra-low latency gaming and a fantastic typing experience. In Game Rant's Corsair K65 PRO Mini review, we found the included Corsair OPX switches to be incredibly responsive and tactile. The higher actuation point of these switches makes this keyboard a joy to type with, but when it comes to gaming, it can get a bit tiresome. Unlike the Royal CLUDGE RK61, this keyboard is not hot-swappable, and it is only available with the OPX linear switch, so for fans of clicky or tactile switches, this is probably not the best option.
At number 3.
SteelSeries Apex Pro. The SteelSeries Apex Pro Mini sits at the opposite end of the spectrum of 60% keyboards to the RK61. This keyboard is absolutely jam-packed with special features, lightning-fast wireless connection, and fantastic build quality. However, all of those features and flashy designs are reflected in the price tag. When it comes to 60% keyboards, the SteelSeries Apex Pro Mini is an excellent option for gamers not concerned by their budget who simply want the most advanced keyboard. The biggest selling point of the Apex Pro Mini is the OmniPoint adjustable switches. These switches allow gamers to fine-tune the amount of pressure that activates a key press. This feature is pretty revolutionary for most keyboards, though there are now a few companies making something similar, like the Razer Huntsman analog. Regardless, with a couple of button presses, these switches make it incredibly easy to switch from fast-paced gaming with very light actuation points to work mode with heavier ones, so it's harder to make typos.
Number 2 of my list.
RK Royal CLUDGE. The Royal CLUDGE RK61 is an underrated 60% keyboard with excellent build quality, fantastic gaming performance, and a hot-swappable PCB for just $50. Whether gamers are looking to get their first mechanical keyboard or just an affordably priced one, the RK61 is a perfect option. At this price point, many keyboards are not made to last the test of time, but the RK61 feels incredibly durable. Despite its small frame, it feels hefty and does not move around the desk when typing on it, but it is still easy enough to pack up and game on the go if needed.
And number 1.
Razer Huntsman Mini. The Huntsman Mini is Razer's first 60% keyboard after getting many requests for it from social media, and they hit out of the park on their first try. This keyboard does not give gamers a lot to gripe about at all. The Huntsman Mini is perfect for any gamer who wants a powerful, compact keyboard that feels excellent for gaming and typing. With a choice of linear, clicky, and tactile optical switches from Razer, gamers can pick the switch that best suits their needs. All three options have an excellent feel, and thanks to the optical design, every key press feels nice and smooth. Gamers who also plan to use this keyboard for everyday use might want to stay away from the linear switch, as it is pretty easy to make typos with such a light actuation point. While this keyboard is not a budget keyboard per se, it is relatively affordable for its performance and overall feel. Plus, for a wired-only keyboard, it is always nice to see a removable cable, because there is nothing worse than having to replace a full keyboard just because of a faulty cable.
Check out this video description for latest price and more informations. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and stay tuned.